fuck girl man I'm in a bed or the blood clot do you. We are come send picture all about and send all about you. Hey girl, don't get me bomber clot mad enough.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless upon yourself first and foremost. You know my style, so subscribe and like before watching so you don't miss out on nothing. Is it? So we're gonna kick it off with Macka Dyema and the video we should post. No, the picture was circulate with her and the video we should post after the people them have this to say. So that woman they were showing right there, so look like a fireman. So a Macka Dyema this you know with the said brother in a bed, so it have the people them, you know, a worry and things. So when you comment down below on the thing, but this is what she have to say, is it?
Me say people, me not even wake up good. And when me take a start from last night, me see people tag me, you know, about lava show and this and that, but me not even there notice how a really bomber clot are going. Now you want to tell me, say, this dirty girl named Pretti Dan, look how much you hear the text upon me, leave me alone, now the blood clot Salamite girl. I want the blood clot, me sleep now, man, me rest, man. I want the bomber clot deal. What the fuck you text upon me for dirty stinking Pretti Dan? What the blood clot? That says some man don't forget no fucking up because I don't understand this. You know? You come talk about sex tape and you have to say that. I want the blood clot are going. I want to go on over this bomber clot internet. Yo, Pretti Dan, leave me alone because I never see my blood clot get mad at you know. You know, so tired, me fed up of the whole blood clot that I want, you know. You leave me alone in the head, dirty stinking girl. I want. Even me a fuck girl man, I'm in a bed or the blood clot do you. We are come send picture all about and send all about you. Hey girl, don't get me bomber clot mad, you know. Hey girl, me tell you something, you never see me get mad in this, you know. You never see me get mad in this, you know. So leave me alone, you know. You leave, you know, notice say, enough on do my things. The whole blood clot that I want to call up me, and I do things over the net all well. I'm in a bomber clot, you know. You see that time, yeah? I'm going to deal with one on a wicked, you know. I'm going to tell you about the mama, you know. You understand? I'm not come blood clot, send out picture and send out this and send out that. Someone a dirty blood clot, dirty boy too. What wrong with that? Eh? My blood clot sell pussy or what? What? Me sell a pussy and sell a fuck and so what? I want the blood clot, don't leave me alone, you know. I'm telling you, someone never see me get mad yet, you know. You never see me get mad yet, you know. What is that girl, man? I know you're not the blood clot bed, in dirty lesbian girl. Your tongue dirty and stink, but I want a blood clot suck from you. Hey, girl, leave me alone, you know, Pretti Dan. I want a bomber clot, do you? I'm going to tell you something, I never in an argument with a girl on the net, and I hear me, hey, girl, anyone me see you, you know. Anyone me see you. Dirty blood clot. You can't even leave people life alone. Look how many years on the text about me. Leave me alone, no, man. Sure, I'm tired of you, know. I'm telling you something, one different thing, you know. You don't even understand this thing, you know. Don't play with me, you know. This girl come blood clot. I see people that tag me, and I wonder, how about the blood clot this a go on? Eh? Where people are talking about love and this and me see my friend them tell me this and tell me. But I take it my joke because last time I have my different mission. I no arms or thing with nobody. What is this girl, man? Dirty stinking Pretti Dan. You talk to me bomber clot liar, you know. You talk to me liar, you know, dirty girl. I want to you. I don't love for going, I couldn't want to come style people. I'm tired of you now. But the blood clot takes upon me, look what years now, it takes upon me. I say, my time now, no. My time for dealing with no wicked, no. Hey, girl, I can deal with wicked girl, boy. I never know for blood clot call, you know. Girl, boy, woman, I don't know dog shit. Animal, what? I don't know for call, you know. Hey, girl, leave me alone, you know. I know girl want to come argue with me, the whole want to go suck on herself, you know. And leave me alone. You think I'm here first to take people, man? I'm here first to take people, man. No, leave me alone.
Alright people, so up next we're gonna talk about Dyema attitude. So all who know her by now I get shocked when they hear this. So she and the police within a altercations where action did not take place. They would have war, fight, you see me. Dyema will get some local swell and bruise. But the thing though, you know, I don't like how them deal with the female, you see me actually. You see me, but the thing though, you know guys, you could believe say him and the police, I don't understand. When you watch that video, see if you don't understand.
Man, fool is a fool. And I don't see because police them war and pan me come and go war about the boy. Man, they war about the boy. I see what like police them drop me down one corner and pay people after that, my man, and lose your rights. Come here, war about the boy, you know me not friend nobody call. You know how me scared already and how me determined. All let me get eliminated, me feel it. After long after the police them carry down, me start feel. Me look me see me hand at 12 instant and me start feel like it get numb. You see me? Me not feel no come here look back the boy. You know me not afraid of no boy. Now about me, you know. He go and people police. He go like my police, you know. You don't know what a boy, I love boy like him a police. He got King Chapter try married to him in cousin. The boy name Upright. He asked my bike team, I know his first name. The boy married to his cousin.
See wicked pussy, yeah? I know, but everybody knows. Him, see him there, him.
You know, so I'm not gonna lie to you. See before him come for me, for a long time, I realized that I'm gonna move away. If I want to work,
This is a pan people. Clot.
Anyways, people, I book the video upon Instagram and say me I go share it with all my audience. You see me, I need you to tell me something. I'm not try to make that brother here look bad, cause him don't make himself look bad already. But hear him out, tell me what you think, cause him say him have 11 kids, right? Alright. See there, you don't know if I saw them correctly pronounce that. But them come take with the whole level picnic and the man a boss and a brag same free now and with girl and come start new with him and one bag of something. I would even like to know yo. Here we go. Watch a video, tell me what you think. Comment down below if you reach so far. Otherwise, you know the style.
someone, 11 of them, my friend. 11 of them do road in the van and the bus, then come for them in one bus. 11 of them. Right now, I just party time. So any ladies want to link up, them can link up in our car. You see me? Single again, ready for mingle. Good father up on the road. You see me? I don't have no responsibility. Nothing, everything up, my friend, you see me? So, all me need for the right now, I just go and party. I'm going to relax, you see it? Imagine me live with the 11 people me live with, isn't it? So, you will tell me now, them come and take all 11 away, where them think me that go to sad? I'm not sad. I'm not sad, I'm sad over that fact. And it's a favor them do me. Yeah, they ask me I want one and one spirit. I'm going to rejoice. One time I had a beer run up and beer nice now was well, daddy. Daddy, what charge? Everybody gone, you know, everybody gone. Get a chance to start over. Any pretty girl up on the live want to start over with me.